Welcome on Easy Learning. Now we are going to cover the next question number 7. Question is, Gandhi's an autobiography is structured by balancing contrasts. Comment upon and explain this statement with a reference to the three extracts entitled A Month with Gokhale, extract first, second and third. Okay. Answer. Gandhi, after traveling South Africa and holding a barrister degree, became the discoverer of truth and non-violence on his encounter with the white in South Africa. Though he was not still entitled to Mahatma, he was trying to discover India's glory, dignity, its people, caste, and its status. Gandhi's autobiography has very balancing contrasts when it is seen with the reference to a when it is seen, not sun, SEEN, with the reference to a month with Gokhale. In part 1, 2 and 3, Gandhi has to encounter with several customs, but still he does not show the strong willingness against them, and he just mentions the unjustification of those customs. In part 1, Gandhi finds a number of positiveness in Gokhale as he was to serve the countrymen, to be honest in his everyday schedule, not to waste even a minute in any inappropriate thing. In the same way, Gokhale finds Gandhi's sincerity in his everyday work, his cleanliness, his truth towards some unjust deeds. In this part, Gandhi also discusses about Gokhale's next door neighbors, P.C. Roy. P.C. Roy, it is his goodness, Ranade, Professor Kathwate, Kathavate, and a sub-judge. In part 2, chapter 18, he describes about Bengal's temple custom of sacrificing a stream of sheep to make goddess Kali happy. He visits such religious premises with the help of Babu Kalicharan Banerjee, who was under critical condition. Gandhiji opposed the sacrifices meekly, Meekly, okay, and tried to guide the people to make the god happy in other way, not through sacrificing innocent animals. In his last part, third, chapter 19, Gandhi again discusses the unforgettable moment of animal sacrifices in the Temple of Bengal. He mentions about the types of Brahmo Samaj, which is Sadharan Brahmo Samaj and Adi Brahmo Samaj. This also led him to meet Swami Vivekananda but could not. Gandhiji also mentions about Maharshi Devendranath Tagore but could not meet him as well. Gandhi meets Sister Nivedita in a Chowringhee, Chowringhee mansion, and he is happy to know the adherence to Hinduism by her. Eventually, Gandhi leaves the place, and Gokhale and Dr. Rai came to the station to see him off. On return from Burma, and after acquainting Gokhale about third-class passenger train and other points of views. Okay, with this video is over. Now we are going to the last video of this assignment, BEG 105. This is the elective course of English. Okay,